In this video, I'm going to show you how to add progress bar in Google Sheets. As you can see in the sample spreadsheets, we have three percentages in here. We have 50%, 25%, and 100%. So let's say that we need a progress bar to represent each numbers in here. So to do that, let's use 50% first. Simply input the following formula or equation. Equal sign, type sparkline, input an open parenthesis, and in here, input the cell number of the percentage that you're going to use. Since we're going to use 50%, we're going to input in here A1, since 50% is located in cell A1. Then after this, add a comma, then add a curly opening brackets in here, add a quotation mark to open, then enter the word chart type. Close the quotation mark, input comma, then open a quotation mark again, input the word bar, close the quotation mark again, then input a semicolon in here, then open a quotation mark again, input the word max, then close the quotation mark, add a comma, and in here we're going to input the value of the progress bar for the maximum. So since we have 50% in here, let's say we're going to use 100% as the maximum value, input 1 in here, close the curly bracket, and close the parenthesis. Simply click enter, and now we have successfully represented 50% in a progress bar. Let's try in 25%. Let's copy the same formula, paste it in here, then replace the A1 with B1 since 25% is located in B1. Simply click enter. And now 25% is now represented by a progress bar. In 100%, let's input the same formula again. Then let's just replace A1 with C1 since 100 is located in C1. Then click enter. As you can see, it is a full progress bar since we have the value of 100%. And that's about it. That's how to add progress bar in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.